This video will show you how to do math boxes online. The first step after logging in is on your home screen, make sure that the correct lesson is appearing for that day. So today, since the math boxes that I'm going to be completing are for lesson 5-3, I would need to scroll on the right-hand side to that lesson. Another way to figure out the lesson is to select Menu and go to All Lessons. From Unit 5, select 5-3. Next, I will click inside of that lesson and make sure that I go to the Math Box section. If math boxes were not listed, here I would select the right arrow to find them. So I select Math Boxes and it will take me into the work. I can have it read to me or I can read it myself. So number 1 says, use your number grid, start at 14, count up 6. So I would click inside of this box and enter my number, which would be 20. Then I would select the check feature. This will automatically check it for my teacher, and then press save before moving on to the next. Now I need to solve the riddle. So I count the base 10 blocks, 10, 20, 30. I can use my pen to write the number 30 or select the text box to type the number 30. Now I need to show the number in a different way. So I would draw 10, 20, and then 10 cubes. Since this is not automatically scored, you would select just the save so your teacher could see your work. Next, we will move on to screen 3 and solve the problem. Betsy had 6 cousins. One more cousin was born. How many cousins does she have now? So more tells me to add 6 plus 1 equals 7. So I could write my answer, and then if I wanted to use the text box to record a number model, 6 plus 1 equals 7. And it would appear on the line. Make sure you don't forget to save your work and select the next screen. Our last question says, use paper clips, measure the length of your hand. How long is it? So I am going to measure my hand and give an estimate with paper clips. So I say that my hand is 5 paper clips long. So I can type the number 5, click outside, and it would be on the appear on the line. Make sure you save your work, and you are done with your math boxes for today.